Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a creepy face with like blood and gore and all that loveliness, but with 3 colours. Enjoy! Right, so this design I'm going to do all of them with Snow White to start. I'm going to do just 1 coat, and because this isn't a natural nail, I don't need to prime and dehydrate and everything. I've just gone straight in. Obviously on a real nail you would need to dehydrate, prime, base coat, and then pop that in for 30 seconds. I'm just going to do all of the nails for now in white. So I've already put Devilish and Serious Black on my little palette, so it's just quick and easy to get to. And I'm going to start with a handprint. So dip in, do like the palm of the hand. And the thumb. And you'll see in a bit that I'm actually going to cover this in white so it looks like someone's pressing through some like material or like through a wall. So you'll literally see like the palm of your hand. Literally just dropping on. I'm going to pop that under the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to clean my brush off, keep it nice and sharp. I'm going to go over this design again with Serious Black and just make it raised so you'll be able to see it sticking out a little bit more. Pop that back under. Right, so now with Snow White, with a thin layer again. Just kind of paint over it. It looks like someone's pressing through. I think it's quite eerie, it's quite a spooky design. Okay, and then pop that under for 30 seconds. And that's basically what I'm going to do with these ones as well. I'm going to do a face and then maybe a little bit of writing. Do like the forehead. And the eyes need to be sunk in, so I won't make them 3D. I'm just going to do this bit around the eyes and then the nose. And chin. We go around to like cheekbones. It's more like the outline of a face. It's like when you're younger and you get those things and you put your hand in them and they were like pins. That's what it reminds me of. I'll leave it like that. Pop it under, go over that again, see what it looks like. Oh, better with 2 coats. Yeah, like that. That looks a bit more 3D. Do 2 coats of the white. Back in for the face, so just going over the brow bones, cheeks, the nose, the chin. You could do like a partial hand print. It'll make them look quite spooky. A bit more on the nose, because I can see from looking at it on an angle, it's not as raised as I want it to be. Right, pop that on under. Going over this. Oh yeah, it's spooky. I'm going to do 2 coats because I did 2 coats on the hand and I think it looked better. So pop that under for 30. So 1 more coat on top of this one. Oh, I love Halloween. Pop that one under, 30 seconds. And while I'm waiting for that one to set, I'm going to start this one because I'm impatient. So I'm going to write, help me. I don't want it neat, I want it just quickly locked in. Pop that under, 30 seconds. I go over that again because I want it raised. I'm going to do exactly the same as how we did the other 2. I'm kind of just scooping up the paint, just lobbing it on. Keep turning it to the side so I can see where I've missed, where I want more. Yeah, pop that under, another 30. Go over this with Snow White. Back under the lamp. I'm going to do another coat of Snow White. Last time for 30. The white. I'm going to do with these. I think I'm just going to do some like little blood splatters, or I've mixed Devilish with some serious black, dropping and dragging. Looks like it's dripping down the wall. I'm going to do that with them all. I've got a big blob on my brush and then pop it down and just like lift off slowly. I'll do that again. Just drop it down. Like you can just tip of the brush and drag it up. Add a bit more. A bit of red. Just blob it down. A bit of black. Same with this one. Add it maybe here. Once you're happy with them, I'm going to pop all them under the lamp. 30 seconds, 1 hit. Now just a top coat then. So I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat. Just seal the design in. This might look good with like the new matte top coat. And if you did that and then went in with the red over the top and kept the red so it's nice and shiny so it still looks wet, that would be quite a good alternative. So now they're top coated, pop them in for a minute. So there's 3 quite spooky designs that you could do on a set using 3 colours, and obviously a top coat and a base coat. But I think they're really, really effective definitely for Halloween, 100% yes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did, because I love Halloween, and all the products will be listed below. Give us a like and a thumbs up, drop us some comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!